Okay, hey guys, I already plugged in the DC power just because that would have been really hard to do with one hand. But here we go. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to put in the remote. It comes with batteries, so yay if you're poor. Which, if you're poor, I wouldn't buy this. I guess. Maybe. Confusing. But press the power button once, and it starts blinking because you haven't changed the power settings. If you're low on, if you have really high, I don't even know the word, but turn on your Xbox, it doesn't even really matter in which order. But then my TV, and your TV shouldn't be on the default, or it should be on default settings to where it shouldn't have this good quality. But here, I'll show you how to change that with my controller. You go over to settings, system, then console settings, display at the very top, HD TV settings. Then you want to go from, it should be at 480p. Here, I'll show you how bad quality it is. It should turn back on right here. Well, actually it looks about the same, but oh my god. No, what is it doing? I didn't do it. But then you just go to 1080i, not 1080p. It won't work with 1080p. And just make sure it's on that. Let me make sure. Yes. Once it's on that, it should have just about the same quality as an HDMI. Now back to the Avermedia. You hit menu button right here, and this menu pops up. Now, right here you want to plug in your device, your storage device, and SanDisks will not work for some reason. If you guys can see that, SanDisk will not work. So I've been just using my MP3, hooks up with the Avermedia USB port right there. Here it is. And if you guys hear that in the background, that's my mom vacuuming. Sorry for that. If you guys can still hear me. Now, wait, controller. You go down to settings. And if you want it to power up like instantly, you go power management, fast. Hit OK, save settings. Now just go back. You want to go to disk management, storage device, and once it, oh crap, I wasn't even looking at it. But mine's already updated, so it should look differently. I just got updated today, but it looks way different. Just select where you want, then hit F1 on the controller, on the remote, to save it. And then you go back, or way far back, and you go firmware update. And once you do that, see, mine's already at 1.6.4. Unless, if you guys got yours this year, it should probably already be up there, but if you got earlier than that, it should be at 1.4.3 or lower, or maybe even 1.5. But if it's 1.6.4, then you should be good. And the rest of this video should be back on my computer, and it'll still be with this camera, so it'll be pretty crappy quality. Sorry about that. I don't have any recording thing on my PC, and I don't really feel like downloading one, so I'll just use this. And that's pretty much it. I'll run everything through, but here, just for shits and giggles, I shall record a video. Once you press record, it should have that up there. Well, that's if you're just in regular recording mode. Oh, and it switches. And there you're still, it should be blinking red like that on the side. And you could do anything. Now if you're wanting to record like live gameplay, then, here, let me stop the recording. Then you want to hit mode up here. Otherwise, sometimes it'll be really like delayed. The ping on it will be very bad. And there, it turns blue once you go to mode. This is real-time mode, and you're not allowed to go through the menus on this. See, it does nothing. Like, you have to switch back and forth, but it makes it better quality, I think, and it responds a lot faster. Start recording again, and it reacts a lot faster on TV. Now, here, stop recording, mode, and don't worry if it takes a little while. It does that to me all the time. If I find out a way to fix it, I'll do an update video. And if you guys have been watching my other videos, I've been using this here for about like a week and a half, and I just now got everything fixed. Now that it's back in regular mode, you hit menu, go up to recordings and snapshots, and then you can actually delete them on, select which one and delete them on the Avermedia. You don't need to bring it to your computer to delete them. And this is what I did earlier. It's playing, and what I found is that in some game type, or like when you play it through, it gets kind of laggy and glitchy. Well, actually, not that I updated it now, but before in 1.4.3, it used to like lag like crazy when you replayed a video, but now it doesn't seem to do it. Here's the real-time mode that I recorded.